Welcome to RGB Group. RGB Group is a technical consulting company that uses IntelliSEM every day to solve a variety of problems in steel making, pharmaceuticals, concrete, environmental analysis and many more. Out of the box, IntelliSEM is ready to go. It's ready to acquire data from your samples and give you the information you need to make decisions. And right out of the box, IntelliSEM is ready to go, ready to analyze your samples and get you the data and the information you need to make decisions. But if at some point in the future you would like a second opinion or you want to go beyond a standard analysis, those consultants are available to assist you. Let's start with some data acquisition. You can acquire data from a regular SEM sample or a slightly larger sample. Today, we'll acquire data from a steel sample. IntelliSEM comes with its own sample holders. In the center are the reference samples, and loading the sample is as easy as sliding the sample in and you're ready to go. So now we're ready to collect the data. Let's see if there's an instrument available. So you see the instrument is open, so let's go right to it.